Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is now about to enter the city of Medina. I ask the question, what will be the very first words that he will share with the people of Medina, many of whom are unsure and some are anxious as well? The response was from an ex-Jew by the name of Abdullah ibn Salam, who became a Muslim upon seeing the face of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I narrate to you his words. He says, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stepped into the city of Medina, in Jafal an-nasu hawlahu, people came from all around him, and they were saying just one thing: جاء رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, جاء رسول الله, جاء رسول الله. The messenger of Allah has arrived. The messenger of Allah has arrived. The messenger of Allah has arrived. He said, and I was one of the people who came to see him. Is he truly the messenger of God? He said, فَلَمَّا اسْتَبَنْتُ وجه رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم عرفت أن وجهه ليس بوجه كذاب. He said, when I saw his face, it became very clear to me that this is not the face of a liar. And then he said, the very first words that he said upon coming into the city of Medina were the following: listen carefully, my brother. Listen carefully, my sister. Take out your phone if you need to. Take note of what you're about to hear. Here is the prophetic constitution. This is his manifesto. This will be the principles that define his government and his leadership in Medina. The very first words that he said to the Medinan community were the following 4 sentences. Ayyuhan nas, O people, afshu salam, convey greetings of salam to everyone. Wa at'imu ta'am, and distribute food. Wasilu al-arham, and stay in touch with your family. Wasallu bil-layli wan-nasu niyam, and pray at night when people are asleep. Tadkhulun al-jannata bi-salam, and Allah will allow you to enter paradise in peace. La ilaha illallah.